Good day, everyone. So my name is Elijah Bocala, and this video is all about engineering management. And this video is all about uh Pechakucha presentation. So this video is in that kind of style. So let's get started. So different types of work scenes. Manager and subordinate perspective have different goals in a certain job. They have different responsibilities and job in work scenes. So next. First things first, what is management? Management is like a goal to be set on when you're in the job. So without management or goal, you can't accomplish anything. So first things first, management is very essential. Safety officer. So my story will reflect on this type of scenario between manager and subordinate. So hear me out on what I would tell about safety practices. Storytelling. This is June. He prepares all the planning objectives for tomorrow and PPE that will be assigned, and he organized everything that should be set on. So as a manager, you need to implement that and remind your subordinates when it comes to that. So next. Morning comes, manager and June meet and they start discussing what they should do. And as a manager, he will demonstrate all what you need to do in the job. And June and Ray, he introduced the machine, which is the late machine, and how to use it, and proper use of PPE. And afterwards, June discuss how to use the machine. He lived in the certain room. So before I start telling what is late machine is like a tool that is very essential for mechanical engineering because you can use piston, bearing, shaft, and what you call this car components or engine components that you call. So next. So in for Ray scene, he is the subordinate of June. He prepares everything that he needs for tomorrow and he works for his family. That's why he works for June. And by goes by, he needs to prepare and he's looking forward to what is coming from tomorrow. So that's why he will work under June. So in continuation, June introduced the machine to everyone. And by that, everyone listened and everyone wants to try because they just know and they just like excited on what they should be looking forward in the machine. So Ray, the Ray was listened and Ray listened and was done demonstrated by June. So he will start working on it now. And his goal is to make a shaft. And next, start he he work on the his part as to create a shaft, and by doing that, something bad happened, which is accident. And accident should be prevented immediately. So looks what we're going to find out. And the reason for accident is this one. And because of that, the metal that shaft connected to the shaft, it flew inside the room. So that's very dangerous because it might hurt. But luckily, um, Ray is not hurt, but still it's still an accident considered. Everyone was terrified and they analyze everything, what really happened, and the manager came in the room where they are functioning the late machine. And because of that, they stop working. Yeah, they stop working and they start asking Ray if he is okay. And as a manager, he is confused what really happened, and everyone was stunned. So because of the accident that happened. So because of that accident, they stop the operation because they feel it's not safe, and the manager feel the guilt that he is not there because he is doing something else, but he did not manage the whole people that is really under him. So he feel that he is guilt about what happened in the accident. So Ray is terrified and June apologized. So because Ray is terrified because the accident is because of him, and June apologized because he needs to prevent it because he is the manager. He should be all there every time they operate the machine because the rotating shaft makes the work more dangerous, so high chance of accident. So that's why. So moral lesson of the story, management is important, and taking care of people is also important because without people, you won't be operating the engineering works in a company. And planning and engineering is very important. So for June, he should be like uh giving care for the people, not just planning, not just managing. And that's all. So in conclusion for this video is that um I I demonstrated or showed to you how should an engineering manager should do, or any other manager in every aspect of workplace. They should be like organizing everything, watching people, or even looking if they are working in a safe place because it's your responsibility because they are your people. So without people, you won't be um operating a work in a certain industry. So that's why you should mind that as a manager. So that's all. Thank you for listening.